Good day everyone, I am Renante M. Cruz from BSIT3A. I discuss the laboratory one, which is the data exploration. This code snippet is using the pandas library in Python to load and display a dataset. Let's break it down step by step. Number 1 is importing pandas. Number 2, loading the dataset. Number 3, assigning column names. Number 4, displaying the data. This code snippet processes the classic iris dataset commonly used for machine learning and data analysis. This code snippet calculates and displays descriptive statistic, mean, standard deviation, minimum, and maximum for numeric columns in a pandas data frame. Number 1 is import function. Number 2 is iterate over columns. Number 3, check for numeric columns. Number 4, compute statistic. This code snippet analyzes the distribution of values in the class column of the data frame. Number 1 is select column. Number 2, count unique values. Number 3, display result. This code snippet generates and displays descriptive statistic for the iris dataset stored in the data frame. Number 1, select data. Number 2, compute statistic. Number 3, output result. This code using import libraries. Number 2, load dataset. Number 3, select columns. Number 4, covariance matrix. Number 5, correlation matrix. This code consists import libraries. Number 2, load iris dataset. Number 3, create a histogram. Number 4, customize the plot. Number 5, display the histogram. This code consists import libraries, load iris dataset, create box plot. Number 4, customize plot. Number 5, display plot. This code effectively visualizes the spread and variability of measurement in the iris dataset. This code consists import libraries, load iris dataset. Number 3, create a scatter plot matrix. Number 4, adjust layout. Number 5, display the plot. This code effectively visualizes future relationship within the iris dataset in structured. This code provides an insightful visualization for comparing attributes across iris species using parallel coordinates. Number 1, import libraries. Number 2, load dataset. Number 3, create parallel coordinates plot. Number 4, customize plot. Number 5, display plot.